Hello cutie pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your beauty Donna here. So in today's video we are going to learn how to apply eyelashes. It's probably the third video of my series. In this series I have made the videos of all basic makeup, like everything basic. So if you haven't watched any other video from the series, then you can check out the link in the description box. I have linked the playlist in the description. So don't forget to check that out. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing which you need is your eyelashes, and the second thing is eyelash adhesive, which means glue, and the third thing is this eyelash applicator. This is a kind of tweezer, looks like a tweezer, but it is curved from here, so it is an eyelash applicator. It is very easy to apply eyelashes from this thing because most of the beginners try to apply eyelashes with their hands, and it's not easy for beginners to apply perfectly with their hands. So this tool is very necessary for all the beginners. So firstly we are going to open these eyelashes. These are by Laura. You can use any of your favorite pair. I would recommend you to use those mink handmade lashes because they look more natural. And the thing which you need to focus is the band of your eyelash. Let me show you. These are the lashes I'm going to use. You can see the shape of these lashes. It's super pretty. So what is a band? So if you want to know this, you have to come closer to me. Okay, so what is a band? A band is this. Can you see this edge which you have to place on your eyelid? This is the band. If the band is more thicker, then it's really hard to apply it, and it looks more fake. And if the band is really thin and like you can see the band of this eyelash, it's really very thin. Okay, so now how you have to apply it. Okay, let me tell you this. The most important thing is the eyelash adhesive, the glue which you are using. It should be a good quality product, and you cannot use a low quality glue on your eyes. This is really very risky, and you guys are not supposed to take any risk on your eyes. So take a good quality eyelash adhesive and then start working. Okay, so I have applied the glue on the lashes. Let me show this to you guys. This is how much amount of glue I have applied on this. It's not that like too much glue make your lashes stuck more. You have to apply a very gentle amount, not too much and not too less. So it should be like in a very generous amount. So after applying the glue, you don't have to apply direct it on your eyelids. Let it dry. Don't let it completely dry, but when it will be a little bit drier, it will become more sticky. So let it dry, and what you need to do is you have to apply mascara properly on your eyelashes so that your fake and real lashes won't look separate. And if you want to know how I apply this mascara and how I did my eyebrows, then you can check my previous video in the playlist. I have already uploaded the video on these eyebrows and the mascara. So now this eyelash glue is more dry, and you can see the white part is not much visible now. It turned to black. So now what you need to do is hold your lashes from the bottom. Don't hold them from the inside part. Now your hand direction like this. Keep your mirror in your hand. Never apply your lashes from downwards or from the middle. You have to keep your hands from upward. So now fix it on the place. All what you need to do is just press the edges. you can see how easy it is. Okay, now let me tell you it again with another lash. Okay, so now once again, how you have to hold it. Keep your curler like, applicator like this, and hold it from the end of the lashes, because this will make your lashes more flexible like this. If you will hold it from the middle, the eyelash won't be flexible enough. So now it's time to apply. Always use your dominant hand, and the direction should be like upward. As you have placed the eyelashes, then you have to press the corners. Like it's already done, but you don't have to blink. I can feel it's not dry, so I'm waiting for it to get dry out. Do not blink too much. And now you can see it's done. So you can see these eyelashes are looking really natural, and the bands are not actually visible. You can't actually see the bands, even though I am not applying any liner or anything to hide the band, but still the band is not visible at all. I've already shown you the zoom in and zoom out look. So this was all about the video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.